Hey Jags, it's Mrs. Lee. I just wanted to go over a couple of things about this week's assignment to kind of help you out. This layout is exactly the same as it was last week, but I just wanted to highlight just a few things just in case you need a refresher or a little bit of help. So this video will be posted here on this first slide, and then if we move forward, so the answers to the questions, you have a little text box here where you can type your answer. This one doesn't say type. There you go. And then if you scroll down to slide number 4, again, you have small text boxes that you can type the answer to. If this video doesn't play when you click it here, which it is for me, but if it doesn't, you can click on present and you can click on the video and watch it, or you can click on this link up here and it will take you to a transcript of the video. So while it's playing, it will highlight the sentence that she's on in the text of the video. So those are a couple of ways to do that, but I would suggest clicking present. Also make sure that you are logged in with your MUSD email address, because sometimes that will prevent the videos from playing. So if we scroll down, you have your instructions. You're going to complete 2 reads of this section of The Outsiders. Okay, the first time you just need to read and listen to the text. The second time you read it, you're going to reread or re-listen to the text and answer the questions in the margins. Now this week, not every slide has questions. So if you go to the slide, you have the section of the text, and then there's audio here for you to play. Again, if it doesn't let you play here, you can press present and you'll be able to click on that little speaker and it will play the reading of these paragraphs. So then you get to a slide like this where you have questions on the second read that you'll click and type the answers to. These boxes, I want you to highlight evidence to support your answer to these questions. So you'll physically drag the box over here and say, oh, this is going to help me answer question 2. So I'm going to make this box bigger and highlight this section of the text. And if you click off of it, it's got the little, section of that text for you. So that is what I want you to do with those. You're going to physically drag and drop and move those boxes to evidence to support your answer to those questions. So that is what you do on all of the text slides. And again, some of them have questions, some of them don't. So go to each one. There is a link here to this Google document. This is other sections of the book that can help you understand some of the questions that I'm asking. So if you don't remember what happened in early chapters, like for this one, how is Johnny behaving differently than he normally does? So if you didn't read the whole book or you don't remember how Johnny acted earlier in the book, then when this is then you can click on this link. It'll take you to a Google Doc that has previous sections of the book describing these characters to help you answer those questions. So I've linked it here anytime that you may need to reference back to earlier in the novel for you. So each slide has its own audio. Some of them have questions, some of them don't. I have also included a video of The Outsiders, this section of the book that we're talking about. So this is a video version of that section, so you can watch it. It does go a little bit farther than the section we're reading, but that's fine. And again, if you cannot view it, make sure that you are either pressing present and that you are logged in with your Madeira email address. Then this is a screencast giving you a recap of claim, evidence, and reasoning. Just as a refresher, it's the same one from last week. So if you watched it last week and you don't want to watch it again, you can skip forward. This last one, you're going to write a paragraph. From what we learned about challenges, fear, and courage, would you say that Ponyboy and Johnny are being courageous? So you're going to write a claim answering that question. You're going to cite evidence from the excerpt from the TED Talk that you watched at the beginning of this video. Reasoning should be in your own words. And then conclusion, where you're restating your claim. Okay? So this is due by Friday, and you will turn it in. I will have it all paced out for you on the calendar, on Google Classroom if you need help kind of figuring out how to break this up so that you're not doing it all at once. But you have until Friday to turn this hyperdoc in just like you did last week. If you have questions, come to my office hours, email me, comment on the assignment, and I'll be happy to answer them. Have a good day, Jax.